Welcome back to my channel again. In this video we are going to study about isotopes, isobars and isotones. So this video is mainly for class 8 students. Class 8 science students. So firstly, let us look at what is meant by isotopes. So isotopes means elements having same atomic number but different mass number is called isotopes. So why isotopes? Kasi isotopes the form bio. The reason is due to the different number of neutrons present in the atoms of a same element. Kasi isotopes the form bio due to the different number of neutrons present in the atoms of same elements. Example, chlorine has two isotopes. So chlorine has two isotopes. Both the isotopes has atomic number of 17. The mass number is 35 and another has 37. So the isotopes of some common elements are first the A hydrogen. So hydrogen has three isotopes. So atomic number the 111 कारण 1 the 1 atomic number the same. They will look at the difference to mass number the difference to yalu. The mass number first the 1, second 2, third 3 mass number same atomic number different mass number. The different mass number due to the different in the number of neutrons in the nucleus. So B carbon के atomic number कम चमु 6 carbon के atomic number the 6 then a carbon has 3 isotopes. So all the three isotopes has a 6 atomic number but they have a different mass number. The first one has 12, then the second 13, 14. The C oxygen की same. They have oxygen have 3 isotopes and they have a same atomic number which is 8 and different mass number. So mass number first comes to 16, 17, 18. Then D की finally D the chlorine. So chlorine की atomic number is 17. So both the isotopes has 17 atomic number but they have different mass number. First one has 35, second 37. Now the Kasibe they have, so why they have a same atomic number but different mass number? Due to the different in the number of neutrons present in the atoms. So next we have is isobars. So isobars means the atoms of different elements having same mass number but different atomic number. Now the opposite. So isotopes isotopes have same atomic number but different mass number. Now the isobars the opposite of isotopes. So isobars have same mass number and different atomic number. Same mass number, different atomic number. Example, argon and calcium is different elements. Argon and calcium is different elements. So different elements have same mass number. Example, the argon has 40 mass number and calcium has 40 mass number. They have a different atomic number. Argon has 18 atomic number, calcium has 20 atomic number. So different elements having same mass number but different atomic number is called isobars. So next we have is isotones. So isotones, what is meant by isotones? Isotones are the atoms of different elements with same number of neutrons but different numbers of protons. So another isotones the same. So isotopes the same atomic number but different mass number, and isobars the different atomic number, same mass number. So isotones means same neutrons number. So analogy example, sodium and magnesium is two different elements. Two different elements. These two different elements have different mass number and different atomic number, but they have a same neutrons number. Example, the sodium की atomic number comes to 11. Atomic number is 11. Mass number 23. Magnesium has atomic number of 12 and mass number 24. So sodium की neutrons defined by the law. Neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number. So 23 minus 11 gives 12. In the magnesium, neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. So mass number is 24 minus atomic number 12. So these two different elements have same neutrons number. So the elements having different mass number and atomic number but same neutrons number is called isotones. So let us look at some of the applications of isotopes. There is the mistake in the spelling for applications. Applications of isotopes. So firstly, carbon 14. Carbon 14 is used to determine the age of the earth, rocks, minerals and trees. So number 2 we have phosphorus. Phosphorus 31 is used in the field of medicine in locating brain tumor and treatment of cancer. So next we have is phosphorus 32 and nitrogen 15 are used in agriculture to study plant nutrition, plant diseases and photosynthesis. And lastly we have uranium 238 is used in generation of nuclear energy and rock dating. So Tatu the Amchari and thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you in the next video. Thank you.